Hello children, welcome back. We are in our revision sessions. In the previous sessions, we have done with our chapter number 1, that is rational number, and we have already started with our chapter number 2, that is linear equations in one variable. And these two chapters are going to come for the first periodic, right? Let us continue today. As I said in my previous session, that in this session we will be discussing few word sums. Okay, so let us begin, children. So we are in the first periodic test revision, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. So here is our first word sum. 15 years from now, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Now his present age, we don't know how much, so that we can take as a variable. So let us say, let Ravi's present age be x years. Now 4 times from, that is 15 years from now. Now 15 years from now, obviously if you think about your own age, after 15 years you will be plus 15, right? 15 years will be added in your age, children. Yes, so after 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be x plus 15. Yes, before, when I say before, it will be minus, right? From now, 15 years later, we will be obviously adding it, right? So now it is x plus 15, right? Now what is Ravi's present age? So now we can see again, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So x plus 15 will be equal to 4 times. 4 times means 4 multiplied by. So times means multiplication, right? His present age. Present age we have already, here we have taken it as x years. So it will be 4x. So now here you got your equation, children, that is x plus 15 is equal to 4x. Once you get your equation, now you have to solve the equation and find out the value of x. That is how to solve, you know very well. We transpose the constants as well as variables, right? So here you can see now x plus 15 is equal to 4x. So if I transpose x to the right hand side, it will become minus x. 4x minus x will be 3x. So we will get 3x is equal to 15. Now if it is 3x is equal to 15, now only 3 is present along with the x, that I'll transpose it to the right hand side. Here it is in multiplication form. After transposing, it will go in the division. So here it will be x is equal to 15 upon 3. Yes. So now after solving this, we get x is equal to 5. So now x is what we have taken, children, Ravi's present age. So here you can see present age of Ravi is 5 years. If they would have asked what will be Ravi after 15 years, what you would have done? So 5 plus 15, that is 20 years. So this is how you have to stepwise read the question properly and try to form an equation, and then you will solve the equation. Let us proceed. Yeah. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Now ratio, when we talk, what we take, children? Yes, we take 5x and 3x. These are the two numbers. If they, in the ratio, if they differ by 18, differ means when we subtract, we get 18, right, children? So what we are going to do, 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to 18. Along with the x, 2 is present, which we are going to transpose it to the other side, children. So x is equal to 18 divided by 2. That is nothing but x is equal to 9. So this is how you are going to solve. So now you got the value of x. Now you should see what is asked. What are the numbers? Two numbers we have to find, children. So which are the two numbers we have taken? One was 5x and one was 3x, right? So 5 multiplied by x. You substitute the value of x over here, which was 9. So 5 into 9 will be 45 and 3 into 9 will be 27. So you can see here the first number is 45 and the second number is 27. I hope you all are getting, children. Let us proceed. So in word sums, be very careful, children. Think twice, see whether you have written a correct equation and then solve. So forming an equation is very important in this. Next one. A denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So we don't know what is numerator here, right? So obviously first we will take numerator as x. Now you can see here numerator as x. So if I have taken x in the numerator, what it is telling the condition about the denominator, that the denominator of rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So obviously denominator will be greater than numerator by 8, that is x plus 8. I hope this is clear. Yes, and then now if the numerator is increased by 17, if the numerator is increased by 17, that is x plus 17 in the numerator now, and denominator is decreased by 1, so minus 1, so that is x plus 8 minus 1. The number obtained is 3 upon 2, that is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is our equation, children, that is x plus 17 whole divided by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. And then you have to find the rational number, that is the numerator and the denominator. So once we got the equation, let us solve it. You can see here now we got x plus 17 whole divided by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Either you write this in the left hand side or right hand side, doesn't matter, children, right? Obviously you have to later on solve it, right? So now here, children, you can see here x plus 8 minus 1, I have opened the bracket, 8 minus 1 will be 7. That is in denominator now it is x plus 7 and numerator it is x plus 17. Now this denominator I will be transposing to the left hand side and this denominator to the left hand side will be transposing to the right hand side, and denominator division will become multiplication. So here you can see now it is 3 multiplied by x plus 7, that is x plus 7. I have transposed this side, left hand side. So 3 multiplied by x plus 7 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 17. That is, we will open the bracket, 3 into x will be 3x, 3 into 7 will be 21 is equal to 2 into x will be 2x and 2 into 17 will be 34. So now once you get this, you have opened the bracket. Now transpose all the constants to one side and variables to the other side. After doing this, you will get, after simplifying, you will get the value of x, that is equal to 13. So numerator we have considered is at x, so it will be x in the numerator, and denominator is 8 more than the numerator, that is x plus 8, which is nothing but 21. So hence the rational number is 13 upon 21. So I hope this is clear, children. Let us proceed. Yeah, the next one again, a positive number is 5 times another number. Now this is very important. A positive number is 5 times another number. So let us take first that other number as x. Alright. If 21 is added to both the numbers, now the first number, other number we have taken as x here, right? And the positive number is 5 times the other number. So that will be, positive number will be 5x. Now if 21 is added to both the numbers, So here it will be x plus 21 and here it will be 5x plus 21. This is clear? Now next one, then one of the new number that is this new number becomes twice the other new number. So twice the other new number means 2 times. So what we get the equation, children? See here, that is new number 5x plus 21 is equal to twice the other new number. Twice the other number was x plus 21. So other number was x, which we have added 21. So twice the other number means 2 times x plus 21. Now once you got here the equation, let us simplify first. We will multiply here 2 multiplied by x plus 21 in the bracket. So 2 multiplied by x will be 2x. 2 multiplied by 21 will be 42. And here in the left hand side as it is 5x plus 21. So now later on we will transpose the constants to one side, variables to the other side, and after that when we simplify it we get our solution, that is x is equal to 7. Now x was another number and later on they have asked the positive number is 5x, that is 5 multiplied by 7 is 35, children. So I hope this is clear. So the important is to form an equation in the word sums. So let us proceed. Yeah. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Now length is 2 meters more than the twice of breadth. So we don't know how much is the breadth. So let us consider breadth of the swimming pool as x, right? Now length is 2 meters more. 2 meters more means plus 2, right? More than the twice its breadth. That twice its breadth means 2x. X was the breadth. Twice means 2x, right? So hence the length is 2x plus 2 and breadth is x. And we know the perimeter 154. Now we have to substitute this in our formula, perimeter formula, and find the length and breadth. So that is equal to perimeter. Now here you can see perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Substitute the value. Length is 2x plus 2 and plus breadth is x. When we open the bracket, children, 2x plus x will be 3x and plus 2 as it is. Now 2 multiplied by 3x is equal to 6x and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we got 6x plus 4. Now further solving it, perimeter is equal to 154. So 6x plus 4 is equal to 154. So 6x is equal to, now we are just going to transpose the constant to the other side and variables to the one side. So here transpose this 4 to the other side, that is right hand side, it will become minus 4. So 154 minus 4 is 150 to the right hand side and left hand side it is 6x. Now I'll transpose the 6 constant to the right hand side. It will go in the denominator, that is division. That is x is equal to 150 upon 6. That is x is equal to 25. We have considered x as length, children. So length is 25 and breadth is 2 meters more than the twice of breadth. So here you can see now breadth is 25. So length will be 2 into 25 plus 2. That is nothing but 52 meters. So these were few word sums, children. These are few examples which you can try. It will be helpful. You will get more ideas how to solve the word sums. So these are from your textbook only. So the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later means of course plus 4. The sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? Then Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? So you can just have a practice by solving this. I think maximum I have covered, children, the topics. Okay, so best of luck for your exams. Thank you so much. For today we will stop here.